Hey there, it's Dr. Crypto here with a Crypto.com update. So, I hope everybody's doing well and you've had a great weekend and you're all geared up ready for this exciting week ahead of us. Are we going to get more pumps with Bitcoin and the altcoins, or are we going to get a little bit of a pullback? Well, no doubt, time will tell. And before I start, if you want to sign up Crypto.com, down below in the description, there is a link with a referral link. Click on the link, it doesn't cost you no money, just a bit of time to check out the Crypto.com app. It's worth checking it out. It's got a load of features on there, loads of way to earn stake, and it gives you all the information you want for NFTs as well. So there's lots in there to digest, basically. So yeah, it's all looking really, really good. So what I'm thinking is, can CRO get to $1? I'm thinking in the next bull market, when everything really kicks off, with everything they're building and everything they're developing, and the users that are coming in via the Crypto.com, the Kronos, everybody that's coming in, and when retail start to come back into crypto like they did potentially on the previous market, and then also we've got a lot of investors coming in terms of institutional investors, that is, we're starting to get in there again, starting to dip the toes into it. Can CRO get to $1? Can it get to $1.50? Can it get to $2? Nothing is impossible. So all this accumulation DCA you've been doing over the bear market, is that going to materialize to make you potential millionaires? Of course it could do. None of this is a full financial advice. I own a lot of CRO. That's my disclosure. So you've just got to do your own research, your own due diligence. So we know Crypto.com has got 80 million plus users. Their regulatory compliance, security certificates, insurance covered, verified proof of reserves. So there's lots of development going on in the Kronos and the Crypto.com org. So it's all looking really, really healthy. And you can see they always on Twitter keeping everybody updated, because not so long ago, the other day, it was happy 7th anniversary CroFam, and you can see here where they're building. And you can see on this video here that they aren't stopped building. They keep building and they're getting stronger and stronger and stronger. Where you see some other exchanges pulling back from countries, these are not. These are actually entering. They're still in Canada. They're in the UAE. They're all over the place now. They're getting their foot in the doors. And what that means is more liquidity, more users. More users, more liquidity, price goes up. That's how I see it, and it's all looking positive, even with all the FUD that happened during the bear market. Even up till now, you still get a little bit of FUD. You get certain people doing certain little votes and that, and then thought CRO's not going to make it. And guess what? CroFam came together and actually killed it. And they're still in denial. I think you know who I mean on that one. But, there's always one. But anyway, Crypto.com, Kronos do not care about individuals like that. They do not care one little bit. All they care about is growing their product, growing and getting it out there. And that's what they are doing. As we can see on tweets here, this is actually from give her a following, Cecilia. She is absolutely fantastic, because she's really, really just push the CroFam out there and actually provides lots of information as well. She's one of the tops in terms of the CroFam that I follow, and I like all the information that she provides. But you can see here on her tweet, it's builders keep building and getting licenses. Spain, Singapore, France, UK, Dubai, South Africa. Then we've got Australia, and so on. We go Italy, Brazil, Malta, and so on, and they keep on building. Greece, and you can see on the map right here. This is where Crypto.com are at the moment. This is where they're building, and they're getting the doors in. Getting the feet. Sorry, not doors in. Getting the feet in the doors. And this is why I think the price of CRO in the next bull market, not financial advice, always do your own research, never put more money in you're willing to lose. Write that down if necessary, because that's exactly how I've always played it. I've always done my own research, never put more money in willing to lose, and always do risk management. But when you see things like this happening, when you get companies building and they're spreading their wings throughout the world, Doesn't matter what's going on, they keep building. That gives me confidence as an investor. Stock markets or whatever. If a company is building and growing, that gives me extra confidence. Doesn't matter what FUD's about, just noise. But you can see on this map where CRO is. So you can see on here, or just look at the Twitter on Crypto.com. Just go through what they have, because don't forget, we've got soon Main City coming out. So that's going to be a big catalyst for the Kronos and Crypto.com. You can see they're all the sports, UFCs, F1, boxing. It's all there. It's all coming out, and they keep building, and their marketing is one of the best. So with all of this being built, it gives me confidence that $1 in the bull market could definitely be here. We know we hit around about $1 in the last bull market. So what could we do for this new bull market with everything they're building, all the new users? Well, we can see on here, this is on Coin Perspective. I've done here, Kronos, as of today, if it was BNB's price of today, that would be from now a 25x if we caught up with BNB. Which would therefore give us right now, that's basically, if you had 600,000 Crow, just saying, you can always manipulate this, you just go on there and test it out. But as of today, if you were holding around about 600,000 Crow, that would be around about $34,000 just over. In the bull market, if we caught up, get to the price what BNB is now, in the bull market, that would be a 25x, which if you're holding 600k Crow in your portfolio, saying it'll be worth around about $893,000. That's what it's saying. I'm not saying it's ever going to go to that. It might not ever do. But if it does, that is what you can look for. And that's conservative, because I think, like I said, everything they're building, all the users coming on board, and it just shows me through all the FUD they've had, they've come out strong and they keep building. And the community is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And when you've got a big community, look at Cardano. Look at the Cardano community. Nothing can break the Cardano community. Nothing can break the CrowFam community, because the CrowFam community is getting bigger, stronger. And that's what makes me feel like we can go to $1 and we could potentially go higher. To what? I don't know. But no doubt when the bull market comes, we'll find out. So I thought I'd do this quick video. What my thoughts are regarding going to $1 in the comments down below. Let me know. What do you think CRO in the next bull market could get to? So if you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe. Give us a thumbs down if you don't like what I'm doing. It's all fine. It helps with the algorithm. But like I said, if you want to sign up to Crypto.com, down below in the description, there is a referral link down there. Click on it and check it out. See you soon in the next video.